Hello, welcome to Fante on Apodels Multimedia. Do you know that some names given to items in Fante actually have their roots in English? Stay with us as we learn them.
Sesiarazi mutumu kamfansin kakra Osana Apodels Multimedia mfansi kasisianinsi.
Some names given to items, places, things, and many more actually did not have their roots or origins here in Ghana. They were brought in here by our colonial masters. The fancy name for milk is milchi. Milchi. Where the chi is the KY. In fancy we say k, ye. K, ye. That is pronounced ch. Ch. So milchi. Milchi. The next item is computer. Computer. Well, the English spell is C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. But in Fante, the spelling for computer is shown on your screen. What you see there is not C, it is O, that alphabet. K, O, computer. So that is it. So you could say that clearly the pronunciation is the same, but the spelling is different. Before whites brought chalk that has to be used for writing things or stuff, numbers or something on plates or boards, we were using charcoal to write things that we want to remember on walls or on surfaces. So therefore, chalk also didn't have its origin here in Ghana, and for that matter, the Fancy land. So the English spelling for chalk, that is C-H-A-L-K. In Fancy, the spelling is shown on your screen. However, the pronunciation is the same, chalk, but the L does not come. Chalk. Where the KY, as we have informed you earlier, is ch. And the alphabet that looks like a C that has been turned is O. So chalk. Chalk. Next is buckets. Buckets. The Fantis call buckets bokiti. Bokiti. So you see, buckets in English, bokiti in Fante. Bokiti. Next is television. Television. Fantis also did it again. They call television television. Television. That is it. Well, football was also not common here in olden times. It was also brought up here in Ghana and in the Fante land also by the whites. So therefore, the name ball, that is spelled B-A-L-L. In Fante, the pronunciation is the same, ball, but the spelling, check it on your screen. So you see, it's ball. Ball. Thank you for staying with us on this episode of Apodels Multimedia Fante. We are glad you have learned a lot. We hope to meet another time with part 2 of this same episode. My name is Ochechrenyi Apiamensa, where Ochechrenyi means teacher. Thank you for staying with us. See you another time. Bye-bye.
Apodels Multimedia mfansi kasisiana edo. Mayano more.